If you're cooking in a tiny kitchen, constantly short on time, and tired of washing multiple pots just to make one simple meal, this is exactly the kind of problem that needs a smarter solution. Today, we're looking at the Carori 8-in-1 electric pressure cooker 3-quart, a compact multi-cooker designed for singles, couples, students, and anyone working with limited space but still wanting real home-cooked food. It promises to replace several kitchen appliances while speeding up your cooking routine. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design tells you who this is for. It's noticeably smaller than the typical bulky pressure cookers, which makes a big difference if you're in a dorm room, small apartment, or just don't want your countertop taken over. The gray finish is simple and neutral, so it blends in without drawing too much attention. The inner pot uses a ceramic non-stick coating and in everyday use that translates to less sticking, less oil, and easier cleanup. It feels lightweight but not flimsy, and the lid locks securely, which adds a sense of safety, especially if you're new to pressure cooking. The controls are refreshingly simple. Instead of scrolling through confusing menus, you get straightforward one-touch functions. That matters more than it sounds, because when you're tired after a long day, the last thing you want is to figure out complicated settings just to cook rice or a quick stew. Everything here feels built for convenience rather than showing off features you'll never use. When it comes to performance, the speed is where you'll notice the biggest difference. Compared to cooking on a stovetop, meals come together significantly faster. Rice cooks evenly without constant checking, and simple dishes like lentils or stews are done in a fraction of the usual time. It's not the most powerful cooker out there, but for its size, it's efficient enough to handle everyday meals without dragging things out. What really stands out is how it fits into a normal routine. You can throw ingredients in before work using the delay start and come back to a hot meal waiting for you. That kind of convenience can genuinely change how often you cook at home. The keep warm function is also practical, especially if your schedule is unpredictable. Noise levels are pretty standard for a pressure cooker, nothing alarming, and the steam release feels controlled rather than intimidating. Cleanup is honestly one of the best parts. The ceramic pot doesn't cling to food the way stainless steel sometimes does, so even after something sticky like rice or sauce, it washes off quickly. And since the parts are dishwasher safe, you're not stuck scrubbing after every meal. For small households, that's a big win. Of course, there are a few limitations. The 3-quart capacity is perfect for 1 to 3 people, but if you're cooking for a family or like making large batches, this will feel restrictive. You'll probably find yourself doing multiple rounds, which defeats the purpose of saving time. It's also not designed for heavy-duty cooking like large cuts of meat or big meal prep sessions. And while the simplicity is great, advanced users might miss having more customization options. Compared to larger models like the Instant Pot Mini or other budget multi-cookers in the same range, this one leans more into ease of use and compact design rather than raw power. It's a better fit for beginners or minimalists, while something like an Instant Pot offers a bit more versatility and capacity. But those also take up more space and can feel overkill if you're just cooking small portions. So who should actually buy this? If you're living alone, cooking for 2, or just want a simple, reliable way to make quick meals without cluttering your kitchen, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful if you're trying to cook more at home, but don't want the process to feel complicated. On the other hand, if you regularly cook for larger groups or want advanced control over cooking settings, you might want to look at a bigger model. At the end of the day, this isn't trying to be the most powerful pressure cooker on the market. It's trying to be the most practical for everyday life in a small space, and in that role, it does a solid job. If you want to check current pricing or see if it fits your setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you make a clearer decision, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.